AI tools and advancements, as we know them today, weren't always this advanced. In 2012, a significant milestone in modern artificial intelligence occurred when Google achieved a breakthrough in image recognition using deep neural networks. Then, just 2 years later, in 2014, the landscape of AI innovation was enriched further by Ian Goodfellow and his team, who introduced generative adversarial networks, or you can say GANs. At the same time, Facebook was making strides with DeepFace, an AI system that demonstrated near-human accuracy in facial recognition.
The site already has facial recognition software that can suggest friends to tag when uploading a photo, but those results aren't nearly as precise.
In 2017, the introduction of the transformer architecture by Google researchers changed the game for natural language processing. Their paper, "Attention is All You Need," laid the groundwork for subsequent advances in AI that would enhance machine understanding and the generation of human language, setting the stage for more sophisticated language models. The pace of innovation continued unabated. By 2021, OpenAI had launched both DALL-E and GPT-3, exemplifying the relentless advancement in artificial intelligence. Fast forward to November 2022, the introduction of ChatGPT 3.5 by OpenAI swiftly garnered over 1 million users, highlighting the burgeoning public fascination and confidence in conversational AI systems. OpenAI unveiled GPT-4, a multimodal large language model proficient in processing text and image prompts. This milestone further showcased the adaptability and expanding horizons of AI technologies. After that, the race of large language models began, with various companies and research institutions striving to push the boundaries of AI capabilities even further. So, why did AI take decades to boom? Well, AI in its early days was like a baby. It wobbled and fell a lot. The reason was simple. Right now, AI works from abundant data and powerful hardware. But in the early days, it stumbled due to limited computing power, the challenge of replicating human cognition, and the scarcity of training data. Researchers needed time to develop new techniques that could fully exploit the capabilities of ANNs. However, as technology advanced, we got better at collecting data and building faster computers, which gave AI the fuel it needed to take off. And as AI grew, so did the interest from big tech companies. They started pouring money into AI research, which meant they needed more experts. Most of the hiring is concentrated in technology sectors that prioritize specialized skills. Interestingly, IT firms are favoring experienced talent and are actively recruiting from large private universities to attract PhD faculty members. In Silicon Valley, famous college dropouts get a lot of attention, but they're not the norm. Most tech giants prefer employees who finished college. But why PhDs? IT companies are looking to hire people with PhDs to lead the way in creating new tech and solving tough problems. These PhDs are great at this because they know how to dig deep, ask the right questions, and come up with solid answers. This kind of skill is super important for figuring out issues that no one has managed to solve before. And let's face it, tech companies face these kinds of challenges all the time. There was this study that looked at job postings and resumes from big tech companies, and it turns out that these companies generally go for folks who've gone all the way with their education, not the dropouts. They're particularly on the lookout for people with a strong background in computer science, including many who have PhDs, especially to work on things like generative AI systems. It's interesting to note that a lot of employees at top tech companies have advanced degrees. Take Google, for example, where about 16% of the jobs require a PhD. But here's the thing. Only a tiny slice of Americans have doctorate degrees, and even fewer are in the fields that companies like Google need. Because there aren't enough AI researchers with PhDs in the USA, big tech companies there end up looking globally to find the talent they need. With such a high demand for AI expertise, especially in the USA, these companies have no choice but to cast a wide net to find the right people when there just aren't enough locally. How PhDs have influenced AI till now? Well, when a company wants to step up its AI game and lead in innovation, it sets up an AI research lab. Here, experts with PhDs dive deep into AI research. These experts have advanced degrees in subjects like math, statistics, and computer science, and they specialize in areas like deep learning and natural language processing. They're the backbone of the AI research lab. Smart researchers with PhDs have made a big difference in the world of artificial intelligence. Their important work and knowledge have helped improve AI technology a lot, shaping how we use it and what it can do. Geoffrey Hinton, renowned for his work on backpropagation algorithms, made significant contributions to artificial neural networks during his time at Google. He left in 2013 to focus on academia and now holds a distinguished professorship at the University of Toronto. Ilya Sutskever, a prominent figure in the field of deep learning, contributed significantly to AI research during his tenure at Google. Sutskever's work on recurrent neural networks and sequence generation techniques played a pivotal role in advancing the field. However, Sutskever left Google in 2016 to co-found OpenAI, where he currently serves as the chief scientist, leading groundbreaking research initiatives in AI and machine learning. Ian Goodfellow, known for inventing generative adversarial networks, worked at Google Brain and OpenAI. He left Google in 2016 and OpenAI in 2018, and is currently employed at Apple as a director of machine learning. Andrej Karpathy, known for his expertise in computer vision and deep learning, made substantial contributions to AI research during his tenure at OpenAI. Karpathy's work on convolutional neural networks and image recognition algorithms has had a profound impact on the field. However, Karpathy left OpenAI in 2017 to join Tesla as the director of AI, where he oversees the development of autonomous driving technologies and AI-powered applications. Lastly, Andrew Ng, co-founder of Google Brain, played a pivotal role in shaping the AI landscape with his influential work in machine learning. He left Google in 2014 to pursue academic and entrepreneurial ventures, and currently serves as the CEO of Landing AI and co-founder of Coursera. The contributions of well-known AI researchers with PhDs have been crucial in pushing AI research and technology forward. By working at top tech companies and academic institutions, they've really made a lasting impact on the field, completely changing how we understand AI and its uses. Even though some of these key figures have moved on from these companies, it doesn't mean they've stopped influencing the field. Their work in academia, starting new companies, or other industries continues to drive AI innovation. Well, what are your thoughts on this? Share your insights in the comments below. Also, check out the videos on your screen for more interesting and AI-related content.